स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व करें ISI M.Math MMA सॉल्यूशंस 2025 और इसमें हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में। तो लेट ए बी a 4 cross 4 upper triangular matrix with diagonal entries are -1 1 minus half half, then A इनवर्स कैसे होगा? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आइजन वैल्यू ऑफ अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स आर जस्ट व्हाट वी नो द डायगोनल एंट्रीज एंड द आइजन वैल्यूज ऑफ A इनवर्स आर -1 1 -2 2, the reciprocals, correct? So eigen value of A is -1 1 minus half half, and what is the eigenvalue of A inverse? That is this inverse, that is -1 1 -2 2. So suppose A inverse is equals to plus q a q. So we'll plug this in eigenvalue of A into this assumed form and match the eigenvalue of A inverse. Okay, so let's try, like A inverse is equals to PA plus QA cube. Okay, so we have P plus Q. So each eigenvalue, like for lambda equal to -1 we will find out, for lambda equal to 1 like this we'll find out. So let's do it. For lambda equals to -1, -1 is equals to P minus 1 plus Q minus 1 Q. So minus P minus Q or P plus Q is equals to 1. Now similarly for lambda equals to 1 we have to find out. So 1 is P of 1 plus Q of 1 cube. So P plus Q equal to 1. That's the same. For lambda is equal to minus half, then -2 is equal to P minus half plus Q minus half Q. So then it is minus P by 2 minus Q by 8. So then it's minus P by 2 minus Q by 8. So P by 2 plus Q by 8. So if we multiply both sides by 8, so multiplying both sides by 8 we will get 16 is equals to 4P plus Q. So if you solve from the system, like we know Q is equal to 1 minus P. So then 16 is equal to 4P plus 1 minus P. Okay. Or 4P plus 1 minus P equal to 3P plus 1. Or 15 is equals to 3P. Or P is equals to 5. Q is equals to 1 minus 5 minus 4. So the answer is A inverse. Option A.